আমি ক'ত গৈ আছো দাদা আমি ক'ত গৈ আছো দাৰাগাঁও we are going to দাৰাগাঁও Hello, namaskar, welcome back to our channel. আমি গৈ আছো দাৰাগাঁও আমাৰ লগত আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই থাকক আমি বনাম আপোনালোকে চাই থাকক
You a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the number one to be on TV. I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the number one to be on TV.
I just bought the sizzle bean. I said I just bought the sizzle bean.
খুবেই আনন্দিত মই এই জেগাখিনি থাকি মানে আমি চিটিৰ সেই গণ্ডগোলৰ পৰা আহি আমি আজি মুকল জেগাখিনি পাইছোঁ চাৰিওফালে তাত আমি সকলো মানে শান্তিৰ পৰিৱেশ ইয়াতে আপোনালোকৰ যদি কেতিয়াবা ব্ৰেকআপ হ'ল বা
Fall like leaves in the spring, I'ma run it like cleats, we be clubbing 1800s, bubbling in a nigga's stomach 3 girls, so that mean I'm here juggling She might have a man, I might have a girl But neither one of them at the club, so who give a fuck? Arrived on the scene with some booty shaking hoes and they not the twerk team All these hoes got their hands on their knees I said all these hoes got their hands on their knees
I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the number one to be on TV. I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved.